Hi. Been around the house trying to figure out how to put your hair up in a bun or how to create a new hairstyle? Well, my name is Sylvia Russell and I'm going to show you how to create a chignon. Now, a chignon may sound very different to you. Some people pronounce it chignon or bun, but the proper pronunciation is chignon, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is something that many brides do on their wedding day. Many women who are attending a formal function like to put their hair down what is considered to be a low bun. Now, when creating a low bun or a chignon, you want to make sure and comb the hair all back, very low at the nape, bringing the hair very low. Now, you can choose to have all your hair back. You can choose to have some up front, whatever you choose. Now, the easiest way is if you have a hair tie, gather the hair into a ponytail, like so. Once you have your hair in a ponytail, you're ready to do the rest. An easy way is to split the hair into two, like so. Twist the hair like so. And then just begin twisting the hair into a low chignon like so. Very easy to do. It is not time consuming at all. Begin to use your hairpins and your bobby pins to secure the chignon, like so. A chignon is something that is very easy to create, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be creating your own beautiful chignon for your next formal event. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can create a chignon.